Have you ever looked at a car and thought, I want that? But then the reality of financing it hits you, and suddenly, that dream car seems out of reach. Well, what if I told you there's a financial app that could make that dream a reality? Today, we're diving deep into Sofi and their auto loan offerings. Does Sofi really have your back when it comes to buying that dream car? Let's find out. Sofi has been making waves in the financial world for years, offering everything from personal loans to investing. But does their expertise extend to auto loans? To answer that question, we'll explore the following. Sofi's auto loan offerings. What kind of auto loans does Sofi offer? Are they competitive? The application process. How easy is it to apply for a Sofi auto loan? Rates and terms. What can you expect in terms of interest rates and loan terms? Customer reviews. What do real Sofi customers have to say about their auto loan experiences? Sofi's auto loan offerings. Sofi offers a range of auto loans to suit different needs and budgets. From new cars to used vehicles, Sofi has you covered. Here's a breakdown of what they offer. New car loans, for those looking to drive off the lot in a brand new vehicle. Used car loans, for those who prefer a pre-owned car but still want a reliable ride. Electric vehicle loans, special financing options for electric cars, helping you embrace the future of transportation. The application process. Applying for a Sofi auto loan is a breeze. Here's a quick overview of the process. Online application. You can apply directly from Sofi's website. Quick approval. Sofi is known for its fast approval times. Flexible terms. You can choose the loan term that best suits your financial situation. Rates and terms. Asterisk. Sofi's rates and terms for auto loans are competitive. However, it's important to note that your specific rates will depend on factors like your credit score, loan amount, and vehicle type. Here's what you can generally expect from Sofi. Low interest rates. Sofi often offers lower interest rates compared to traditional banks. Flexible terms. Choose a loan term that works for you, from 2 to 7 years. No prepayment penalties. You can pay off your loan early without incurring any additional fees. The best way to gauge the quality of a company's services is to hear from real customers. Let's take a look at what Sofi customers have to say about their auto loan experiences. Many Sofi customers have praised the company for its easy application process, quick approvals, and competitive rates. However, there have also been some complaints about customer service and limited loan options in certain areas. So, does Sofi do auto loans? The answer is yes. Sofi offers a range of auto loan options at competitive rates and with a simple application process. However, it's important to do your research and compare rates from different lenders before making a decision. With that said, Sofi could be a great option for those looking to finance a new or used car. If you're considering a Sofi auto loan, be sure to check their website for the latest rates and terms. Thanks for watching. Until next time.